Hi friends, what for people are working? People are working for a livelihood to make money. These are the two answers usually we get for this question. Yes. But if so, why Mr. Mukesh Ambani should work now? He can afford to have both without working, but still he is working. That means there are other parameters also. Money is a main motivating factor, no doubt, but there are equally important other parameters, other motivating factors. People work for happiness. How much you feel suffocated these days during these corona days when you were forced to sit at home? You would have been definitely much more happier have you been going out, mixing with the people and doing your regular work. Right? Well, now the relaxations are being announced, you are happy. The source of happiness differ between different people. That is to be accepted. For a child, it will be happy if it gets a toy or an ice cream. A grown-up man may be happy making money, may be happy with a good life, and may be happy with fame, power, or authority. Work involves three different levels: working oneself, working with others, and working through others. I will explain. Of these three, working oneself is the easiest. One requires only the required skill and expertise and willingness to work hard. There is no external factor influencing his working or results. To that extent, things are under his control and he can ensure its success. Coming to working with others, you have to work in tandem with one or more others. This requires a higher social quotient. I am afraid in our country we are slightly behind in this. There are several celebrities who have won in different individual events in sports and games at international levels. Name a few: Mr. Vishwanathan Anand, Pankaj Advani, P.V. Sindhu, Mary Kom, P.T. Usha, Rajyavardhan Singh Rathod, and many others. But we have fewer examples on team events. In every sphere of life, teamwork have some relevance. I will share an example from the medical field. A successful surgeon can perform surgery only with the assistance of a competent anesthetist. That means the anesthetist's role is also equally important. However, the surgeon enjoys the limelight and the anesthetist very seldom gets noticed. In spite of that, bright youngsters come to the field of anesthesia, and that is the beauty of life. Coming to working through others, it is still more challenging. You are getting the work as per your idea and as per your plan through others. The other man is also a human being with his own mind and intelligence, his own ideas, his own plans. To get the man of that caliber to do the work according to your vision, according to your idea, is difficult. It's a challenge superiors, supervisors in every field is facing. Perhaps a small example I will quote here. Many occasions you would have noticed the tension of football coaches when the team plays a crucial match. The coach may be either sitting biting his nails or running around in tension, because he has got certain ideas, he has taught the team something, certain strategies, and he is anxious, he is under tension to see whether the team is doing according to his own ideas and his own teachings. And this tension is the challenge, and on getting the work done, that pleasure is the reward for any superior, any manager, any executive, or any coach or captain. So the importance of acquiring this skill is a skill which you can gradually develop from your early stages, preferably in young ages, so that you will be able to have that managerial skill to get the work done through others. How to acquire this managerial skill, we will discuss in the coming episode. Till then, bye.